Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how we sort and limit the query result in MongoDB. Now, what is sorting means here? Well, you know that sorting means arranging the document either in the ascending or in the descending way, right? So, if I want to sort the results that I'm getting, then how I can do it? On the based of number or on the based of the alphabets, right? If I want to make the sorting, well, this can be done with the help of this sort method, right? Now the second one is our limit. Now what is this limit? Well, limit means to restrict how many documents are shown. Let's say I'm making a query and that query is going to give me 20 results, right? But I want only top 5 results to be shown, right? So what it will do, this limit method will help me to restrict or to get only those number of documents that I have made inside this as a limit, right? So let's go and let's see that how it works. Let's go to the MongoDB shell. So I am inside my office database and let me show you in the compass. So this is the data which I'm having, right? So the fields are name, age, city and the marks. And if I show all the data to db.users.find like this, so you can check the order of data which I'm getting, right? Rahul, Ria, Aman, Sarthak, sorry, Aman, Pooja, Sarthak, Neha, like this, right? Now, if I do the sorting based on this age, right? So if you see from the top, the trend is random, like 22, 26, 20, and then 19, like this, right? So if I want to sort it based on this particular age, so how I can do it? Well, for that purpose, what you need to write, you just need to write db dot students, not students, sorry, we are having users, right? Users dot find like this. And after putting this find, I'm getting all the data set, right? Now if I put dot and sort method in the end, after find I put the sort method, and inside of it I put it like this, where I put this age as the field on which I want to make a sort, and there's two value, 1 and minus 1. 1 is for the ascending and minus 1 is for the descending. So if I put it ascending as 1 like this, and now if I press enter, you can check the order of data is exact sorted in the form of age: 19, 20, 22, 23, 26 and 28, right? The name is Pooja, Aman, Rahul, Neha, Riya, and Sarthak this time. So the order is completely changed according to this particular age field, right? This is how it is done. Now, if I change it and make it age as minus 1, and now if I press enter, you can check. This time the order is 28, 26, 23, 22, 20, and the 90, like this. Yes, so this is how we actually do the sorting in our MongoDB results, right? Now, coming forward towards putting more than one field for the sorting, how we do that? Well, for that purpose, we write here db.users.find and dot sort, right? After that, put a curly bracket. And here, if I give city, right? We were having the city as a field, right? I want this order according to the city. Now you may ask that city name is in the alphabet. How this can get sorted? Well, this get sorted in the lexicographic form, right? Means according to the alphabets, right? A come first, B come next, C come afterwards, right? In this particular order. So if I write here city as one and comma marks as let's take marks as minus 1, right? Let's take marks as minus 1. Now you may ask that how this is going to work. First of all, you are doing some sorting work, and again you are doing some like sorting in the opposite way. So how this is going to work? So let me just show you the results first, so you can check now, right? So what is happening here? First, what is MongoDB doing? MongoDB first sort on the basis of the city A to Z, right? It will sort first on the basis of city, and then if multiple students have the same city, then it sort them by the marks. Means the main order of the sorting is your city, right? You can check C and then D and then D and then K like this, right? But if two students are having the same particular city, in that particular case, it will take the marks and do it in the descending order. Means if you check here, these two students are having the same city, right? Aman and Rahul are both having the city Delhi, right? Here. Now, if I want the next order of sorting, so here I have written the next order of sorting should be marks, right? So here on the both of data, you can check the marks of Aman, which is on the top, is 85 and marks of Rahul is 75, which means the sorting of marks is done in a what descending way, right? So this is how your sorting works. So this is how we do the multiple field sorting, which is very important and are mostly asked in the interviews. So make sure that you have the clear understanding of this concept, right? So I hope you get it. Now let's move forward towards the next topic, which is about the limit results, right? How we limit the result. Got it? So for that purpose, let me just clear it out. So to understand the limit method, first we will do what? We will write the query to call out all the documents that are present in my collection. So db.users.find. So this is going to be giving me all the document, right? Now, what is the number of it? So you can check. This is 6 document. Now I want to get only 3 document after doing this find method, right? So how I can get that? Well, for that purpose, limit is there. So just write db.users dot find again, right? And then put dot limit in the end and give a number to it. So let's say I want only 3, so I'll give in 3. Now if I press enter, you can check I got only 3 documents here than 6, right? So this is how your limit works. So how it is doing? Well, it will take out the first 3 document that are present in the complete list and will give you, right? So while applying any particular query, any particular sorting method or anything, just put this dot limit in the end and give a number of the document that you want, and it will make sure that you get only those top 3 or top n numbers of document in your query result, right? So this is all about today's video. I hope you understood the lecture very carefully, and this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.